War. The very word evokes images of carnage, destruction, and the clash of armies. For millennia, the battlefields have been dominated by human soldiers, their courage and skill tested in the crucible of combat. But the winds of change are blowing, carrying with them the chilling specter of a new era of warfare. An era where artificial intelligence reigns supreme, where autonomous machines decide who lives and who dies. The 21st century has witnessed an unprecedented explosion in AI development. From self-driving cars to facial recognition software, AI is rapidly transforming every aspect of our lives. And as with any transformative technology, its potential in the military domain are both tantalizing and terrifying. The world stands at the precipice of a revolution in military affairs, a paradigm shift that will redefine the very nature of war. AI is not merely a new weapon in the arsenal of war, it is a game changer. It promises to enhance military capabilities, increase efficiency, and reduce casualties. But it also raises profound ethical concerns and existential risks that cannot be ignored. From the battlefields of ancient Greece to the trenches of World War I, technological advancements have always played a pivotal role in shaping the course of warfare. The invention of gunpowder, the airplane, and the atomic bomb each ushered in a new era of military dominance, forever altering the balance of power. Today, we stand on the cusp of a similar revolution, driven by the relentless march of AI. AI, in its simplest ability of machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. In the military context, AI has the potential to revolutionize everything and target recognition to autonomous weapon systems and battlefield logistics. Imagine a swarm of AI-powered drones operating autonomously, hunting down enemy targets with pinpoint accuracy, or a robotic army, fear or fatigue, advancing relentlessly across the battlefield. These are not scenes from a science fiction movie, they are the potential realities of AI-driven warfare. The implications are staggering. Wars of the future may be fought at lightning speed, with AI systems making life or death decisions in milliseconds, far faster than any human could ever hope to react. The line between human and machine, between combatant and non, will become increasingly blurred, raising profound moral and ethical dilemmas. In the global race for AI supremacy, one nation has emerged as a clear frontrunner: China. With its rapid advancements and strategic investments, China is positioning itself as a dominant force in the AI landscape, challenging the traditional tech powerhouses of the West. Under the leadership of President Xi Jinping, China has embarked on an ambitious plan to become the world leader in AI by 2030. This vision is not just about technological prowess, but also about reshaping the global order. Xi Jinping's administration has laid out a comprehensive strategy that integrates AI into various sectors, from healthcare to finance, and from education to national security, pouring billions of dollars into research and development. The Chinese government has recognized the transformative potential of AI and is investing heavily to ensure that it remains at the cutting edge of this technology. This funding is not just limited to state-run institutions but also extends to private enterprises and startups, fostering a vibrant ecosystem of innovation. And the Chinese military, the People's Liberation Army, is at the forefront of this AI revolution. The PLA is integrating AI into its operations to enhance its capabilities and maintain a strategic edge over potential adversaries. This includes the development of sophisticated AI-driven systems that can operate autonomously in complex environments. China's AI ambitions are driven by a potent mix of economic, geopolitical, and strategic considerations. The nation views AI as a critical component in its quest for economic modernization and global influence. By leveraging AI, China aims to boost productivity, drive innovation, and create new industries that will propel its economy forward. The Chinese leadership sees AI as the key to unlocking future economic growth, surpassing the United States as the world's leading superpower, and securing its dominance in the Asia-Pacific region. This vision is supported by a robust policy framework that encourages collaboration between government, academia, and industry, ensuring that AI development is aligned with national priorities. The PLA is actively developing a wide range of AI-powered military technologies, including autonomous drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and even AI-enabled warships. These advancements are designed to provide the military with enhanced operational capabilities, allowing for more efficient and effective mission execution. These systems are designed to perform a variety of tasks, from reconnaissance and surveillance to electronic warfare and cyber attacks. The integration of AI into these domains allows for faster decision-making, improved situational awareness, and the ability to carry out complex operations with minimal human intervention. One of the most concerning aspects of China's AI push is its embrace of unmanned warfare. The development of AI-controlled military equipment raises ethical and strategic questions about the future of conflict and the role of human decision-making in warfare. The PLA believes that autonomous weapons systems will give it a decisive advantage on future battlefields, allowing it to wage war with fewer casualties and less risk to its own soldiers. This shift towards automation is seen as a way to enhance combat effectiveness while minimizing the human cost of war. This has led to a surge in investment in AI-powered drones, which are seen as the future of aerial warfare. These drones are capable of performing a wide range of missions, from intelligence gathering to precision strikes, and are expected to play a pivotal role in the PLA's future military strategy. Section 4: AI Drones, the Silent Assassins. Drones, once science fiction, are now indispensable in modern warfare. These UAVs have evolved from surveillance tools to sophisticated machines executing complex missions. From Afghanistan to Iraq, drones provide real-time intelligence and reconnaissance, becoming the eyes and ears of the battlefield. Equipped for targeted strikes, drones neutralize high-value targets with minimal collateral damage, ideal for counter-terrorism. AI integration will revolutionize drones, making them autonomous killing machines capable of real-time data processing and decision-making. These AI drones will operate independently, navigating complex environments and adapting on the fly, executing missions with unmatched efficiency. Autonomous drones will make their own strike decisions, raising concerns about accountability and oversight. Capable of swarming defenses and coordinating attacks, these drones will be a formidable battlefield force. The implications are chilling. Autonomous drones making life-or-death decisions raise profound ethical questions. The proliferation of AI drones could lead to a more unstable world, increasing the potential for conflict and violence. As drone technology becomes accessible, terrorist groups and rogue states could use these weapons, posing a significant threat to global security. The risk of catastrophic attacks grows with evolving AI drone technology. Addressing these challenges is crucial for a safer future. Section 5: The Global AI Arms Race, a Dangerous Competition. The rapid pace of AI development in China has not gone unnoticed in the United States. As both nations pour resources into artificial intelligence, the stakes are higher than ever. This competition is not just about technological prowess, it's about global influence and power. The Pentagon, long accustomed to technological superiority, now faces a formidable competitor in the race for AI dominance. The United States has always prided itself on being at the forefront of technological innovation, especially in defense. However, the rapid advancements in AI by China have created a sense of urgency and unease within the U.S. defense establishment. The United States and China are locked in a new Cold War, this time fought not with nuclear weapons, but with algorithms and data. This modern conflict is characterized by cyber espionage, AI-driven surveillance, and the development of autonomous weapons systems. The race to achieve AI supremacy is reminiscent of the space race, but with far more immediate and potentially devastating consequences. The United States still maintains a significant lead in overall military spending and technological sophistication. American tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and IBM are at the cutting edge of AI research, contributing to the nation's defense capabilities. The U.S. military's integration of AI into its operations is extensive, from predictive maintenance of equipment to advanced reconnaissance and combat systems. However, China is rapidly catching up, investing heavily in AI research and development, and leveraging its vast pool of data and talent to make significant strides in AI applications. Chinese tech companies like Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent are making groundbreaking advancements, often with direct support from the government. The Chinese military is also integrating AI into its strategic planning and operational tactics, aiming to close the gap with the United States. This AI arms race is fraught with danger. The development of autonomous weapons systems, capable of making life and death decisions without human intervention, raises ethical and strategic concerns. The potential for these systems to malfunction or be hacked adds another layer of risk. Moreover, the speed at which AI technology is evolving makes it difficult for regulatory frameworks to keep pace. As both sides strive to outdo each other, there is a real risk of an escalation spiral, with each new AI breakthrough fueling a cycle of mistrust and paranoia. The lack of transparency in AI development exacerbates these tensions, as neither side fully understands the capabilities or intentions of the other. This environment of suspicion could lead to preemptive actions, increasing the likelihood of conflict. This could lead to a new era of global instability, with the potential for miscalculation and accidental conflict increasing dramatically. The integration of AI into military strategies means that decisions can be made at unprecedented speeds, leaving little room for diplomatic intervention or de-escalation. The consequences of a miscalculation in this high-stakes environment could be catastrophic. The international community must work together to establish clear rules and norms for the development and use of AI in warfare. Collaborative efforts are essential to prevent an unchecked arms race and to ensure that AI technologies are used responsibly. International treaties and agreements, similar to those established for nuclear weapons, could provide a framework for managing this new form of warfare. Failure to do so could have catastrophic consequences, leading to a future where autonomous weapons systems roam the battlefield, making decisions that could spark a global conflagration. The stakes are incredibly high, and the need for international cooperation has never been more urgent. The future of global security may well depend on our ability to navigate this dangerous competition wisely.